In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and build a report with Microsoft Power BI. We'll walk through opening Power BI Desktop, bringing in your data, and preparing it so your report is accurate, fast, and ready for visuals. I'll add practical tips along the way to help you avoid common pitfalls. Start by opening Microsoft Power BI Desktop on your computer. If you haven't used it in a while, it's worth checking you're on a recent version so you get the latest connectors and fixes. When the app opens, you'll see the main canvas area in the center and the ribbon at the top, which is where most of your commands live. Make sure you're on the Home tab in the ribbon. This is your launchpad for connecting to data, transforming it, and later creating visuals. If another tab is selected, simply click Home to bring back the core commands. Next, click Get Data. This is where you choose where your information will come from. Power BI connects to files like Excel and CSV, cloud sources like SharePoint and OneDrive, online services, and databases such as SQL Server. If you're unsure which to pick, start with the format your data currently lives in. A quick tip: only bring in data you need for your story. That keeps your model simpler and faster. Now choose a source. For example, if your data is in a spreadsheet, select Excel. If it's a text file, choose CSV. If it's a database, pick the appropriate connector. Depending on the source, you may be prompted for connection details or permissions. It helps to have your file location or server information handy before you begin. Select a file by browsing to the correct folder and opening it. Power BI will display a navigator window with the available tables, sheets, or objects. Use the preview on the right to confirm you've got the correct content and that headers and sample values look right. Select only the tables you need. Fewer objects mean a cleaner model and faster refreshes. Click Transform Data to open the Power Query Editor. This is where you clean and shape your data before it lands in your report. You can remove unnecessary columns, filter out blank or error rows, split or merge columns, and set correct data types like date, whole number, or text. Every change is captured as a step, making your process repeatable. Rename queries and columns to clear, user-friendly names, and watch for unexpected nulls or outliers in the previews. With thoughtful transformations here, your visuals will be trustworthy and responsive. At this point, your data is prepared and you're ready to load it and start building visuals on the report canvas. Take a moment to review your steps, document key choices, and you'll be set for a smooth reporting experience.